What's up guys, this is LawTech Pro here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone X. This is a 256GB model in silver. So I'll just pull this back. And then put it aside. I'd like to point out the attention to detail on the box itself. All the silver parts, such as the bezel around the iPhone, shine, and it's very good. So I'll just open the box now, and then as usual you get the design by Apple in California folder, and then you get the user guide with hello on it, and then you get information such as the Face ID, etc. And then it tells you what all the buttons do and the 3D touch and the SIM card ejector tool. And then some other info which is important, I guess. And then you get the Apple stickers. And this is the phone itself. But before I go to that, you can obviously see that the layout of the box and the accessories is the same as any other iPhone. And you get the charging brick also. So I'll come to the phone now. It looks very good and it's very reflective. It's very clean and uncluttered. So I'll just take off the protector, and as you can see, the light just bounces off it. It's fabulous. And then the metal bezel is very shiny and it's chromed also. At the back it only says iPhone, and then you can see the dual camera lens with the flash and the microphone in between, and you can see the antenna bands. At the bottom of the phone you get the speakers, the microphone and the lightning connector, and then the power button is enlarged because it's also the Siri button now. It's primarily the Siri button. So I'll just turn on the phone, and because it's an OLED panel, the rest of the phone is black while the Apple logo is white. It's deep black, it's like proper black. Unlike LCD screens. Whoa. So I just swipe up and you can finally see the edge to edge, nearly bezel-less display. So I'll just set this up. It's taking quite long. Okay. I'll set it up manually now because I don't want Apple messing around with my phone. And then I'll choose a keyboard, and then I'll choose a Wi-Fi network. And then I'll install the SIM card. I'll skip the Apple ID part. I'll just click on agree, then customize settings, okay. I'll set Siri up later, then say don't send. The True Tone display is very good. Even though you can't see it in the camera now, if I don't use True Tone, it becomes very blue and it's very harsh in the night. So this shows you how to use the home button, how to switch apps, quickly access controls, and then it's done. So that's it. First of all, the user interface is very fluid like any other iPhone. And then I'll just go to stocks now because it has a black theme. And because it's an OLED panel, the blacks, I repeat again, are real black. Is real black. Unlike the whitish grey things seen in the LCD iPhones. And truly looks bezel-less in black themed apps. So I'll go to the settings now. And if you want to change tabs or something, what is that? It's really hard. You just stop and then you hold it and then you delete it. Then I'll just go to the camera and I'll take some photos. These are some of the photos and videos that I took on the iPhone X during the night. This is my camera that I use to take videos, and this is the box itself. And this is my G-Shock watch. And these are some decoration pieces, and this is a flower pot. And this is my S-Class tail lights, and these are the headlights. Though even during the night, the picture quality is good. And this is the video I took. As you can see, even though my hands are shaking and I'm moving around, the optical image stabilization is very good. And even during the night, it works really well. Although sometimes the video quality and the photo quality is not that great at night. As you can see in this video, it's not focusing properly. So I'll just go to the common use apps such as phone, reasons. It's almost the same. And I'll go to Safari. Let's go to apple.com. What is that? Oh. But the major disadvantage is the notch eats into the space, and it's kind of distracting, but after some time you really don't notice it. So I'll just go to iPhone X. I find it really hard to close all the applications because it never seems to work properly. I think I may get used to it over time, but now it's really hard. I really miss the home button. And the big question is Face ID as fast and as easy to use as Touch ID? So let's see. So this was pretty fast, but still it's slower than Touch ID. This, it's almost the same. Okay, this took some time. This took very long, and then the phone just turned off. This time it didn't even work properly. And even this time it's not working. It takes some time. I think with some software updates it's going to get better. Now I'll just set the wallpaper. Because this is the 10th anniversary iPhone, I would like to set Earth as a lock screen, because in those days people used this as a lock screen most frequently. Overall, the iPhone X is a very good phone, but only if you're willing to pay above $1,000 to buy it. I hope you liked watching this video and subscribe for more such videos.